How's about a little contest?
Contest?
Huh? Hey, perfect timing.
Hayakawa, Squad 4. Target is restrained on the train tracks. The ones in front of the clock tower. Send backup.
Wanna get in on this too, Hayakawa? I guarantee it'll be the tits.
What the hell are you talking about?
I figured since he shot Himeno, we should get to take shots at him. It's only fair, yeah? Except it'll be like a contest. We'll take turns giving him the hardest nut shots we can. And whoever gets the loudest scream out of him before the cops show up is the winner.
What kind of psycho are you?
What? You ain't gonna play?
Our job is to catch this guy, and we're still on a mission. We shouldn't torture him to make ourselves feel better. Not like it'll bring her back. I doubt she would even approve.
Oh yeah?
So, what do I get if I'm the winner?
Heh, I thought his family jewels would make for a nice prize.
Wait, you aren't really gonna do it, are you? Guys, come on!
Himeno, can you hear this up in heaven? It's a requiem from us to you.